class. In this video, I will show you how to do number 2 on your chapter 7 applicable homework. So chapter 7, we talk about consumer surplus and producer surplus. Do not be scared by all the graphs you see, all the different colors you see on the graph. All they try to show you is the area between the supply-demand curve and the price line. So first, let's do the number 2. So for number 2, the question says, consider the market for antique cars. The market price for each antique car is $200,000, and each buyer demands no more than one antique car. So suppose that Sean is the only consumer in the antique car market. His willingness to pay for an antique car is $720,000. Based on Sean's willingness to pay, the following graph shows his demand curve for antique cars. So we have our demand curve, which is the blue line over here. For consumer surplus is the area between your demand curve and your price line. So the blue line is our demand curve, the price line is our black curve. So this area is in the middle, right here. Let me show you. Stay. One more time. Stay. All right. So this area will be our consumer surplus for Sean. So that's the area between your blue line, the demand curve, and also your price line. Now, the second part of the question. Suppose another buyer into the market for cars. Her willingness to pay is $240,000. So we're gonna draw our demand curve. Now, we still be the same demand curve from the previous question, but we're adding one more consumer. So go from Sean's first for 320 for the first car. And the second car will be with 240. Yes, 240 second one. So 240 right here. And then also for only one car. Now we're gonna go all the way across because there are only two consumers. We're gonna stop right here. Go all the way down. So now this little stairs is our new demand curve. So for the first consumer surplus, it's the same area. Go back. Okay. And then for the second consumer surplus is this area right here. Okay. All right. So that's the second part of the question. And the third part of the question says, Bob is willing to pay $160,000 for antique cars. True or false? Keeping his maximum willingness to pay for antique car in mind, Bob will not buy the antique car because it will be worth much less to him than the market price of $200,000. Well, this is a true statement because for Bob, he's only willing to pay $160,000, but the price is $200,000. So for him, if he buy the car, there is no consumer surplus. Therefore, Bob will not buy the car. Therefore, this is a true statement. So let's check our answers. Cross our fingers. Hope everything's right. Check and check. Okay, so that's how you do number 2 on chapter 7. And then have any question, let me know. Thank you very much.